Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm definitely still pretty dang bearish overall. I still think this is going to be a downtrend, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C most likely, but I still think the most likely place for this to end up is all the way down at the 100% Fibonacci extension, which actually puts us down to like 1.13 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still definitely looking at this move down as a wave one. I'm still looking at this move up as a possible wave two. I still think there's a pretty good chance eventually this is going to end a correction and start a big wave three, most likely a wave three of wave C. So let's take it down even further to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this move up as a possible correction, like a wave two. I don't really see any evidence as of yet that it's actually over. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, like a wave one. I think this is a nice impulsive move up, like a wave two. And like I said, I would like to see a Fibonacci bounce. I think there's a good chance it will take out the high, so I'm definitely still looking for longs. I think there's a good chance that it may have another push up before we really do get the bigger push to the downside, ending this wave two and starting that wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely primarily looking for longs based on my higher roadmap time frames. I would definitely be looking for an impulsive move up, a breaker structure, nice engulfing bullish move to the upside to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. I believe that the 61.8 is a very likely area that I was just showing on the daily, so I definitely am still looking for longs in an uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we do have a decent amount of news coming out today. So I do think that the dollar possibly could make its move today. So if we do get like a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, a nice break of structure, that's exactly what I would be looking for my next long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. Until we actually do get that engulfing move to the upside with the break of structure, I definitely would be a little cautious about going long. I definitely need to see that engulfing move, a Fibonacci bounce, a break of structure to the upside before I'm willing to take a long position to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.